Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. I received a question. Someone asked how to install HP Smart App on your laptop. So you need to go to Windows Start, select Windows Start, then go to Microsoft Store, select Microsoft Store. So this is Microsoft Store, it's getting ready. Then go on top, type HP Smart App. So this is HP's Smart App. Select on it, install it on your laptop, and it's getting ready. So once installed this, it will look like this when you open it up. So with this app, you can print, scan, and share file by using HP Smart with your HP printer. HP Smart makes it easy to get started and keep you going with features like print anywhere with mobile. So this is another creative tool you can use in terms of printing from anywhere. Once you have this on your mobile phone or on your laptop, you can send printing job to anywhere. And it's getting ready. You can see it's installing. Installing, almost done. Then you select open. We show you HP Smart got installed. Select yes. Welcome to HP Smart. Accept all. You select set up a new printer or skip. If you select skip or you sign in, so you can set up a new printer, sign in or skip. Then you select skip. And once you select skip, the app will load. Then it will ask you in terms of your locations, agree. So you need to accept location. So this is HP Smart app. So you can set up or add a printer from this app. Or you go on the side, select setup and add a printer, and it will start to search for available printers. Searching for printers. When the available printers display, select the printer you want to set up. So it's going to search for available printers. So but before you do this, you need to make sure your printer is switched on. You can see printers found at the moment. These ones are offline. So, but you can also select search again if you have the printer within the environment. If the printer is not showing, you can select search again. Now we'll find a printer that is online. NPIF. This printer is online. MFP M13/M142. Select on it. So this is the printer and it's showing us ready. HP LaserJet MFP M140W ready. This is how to install HP Smart App and also add a printer. If you want to print a document, then you select print documents, then select OK. Then it will take you for you to select the document you want to print. It can be from downloads or documents or from OneDrive. So we'll go to documents, for example. So type the name of the document or type the name of the document. Then select the document, select print. So the document is getting ready. Then scroll down, make sure you select the correct printer. So look for HP TestJet. this document is 2 pages, but I will only print page 1. So scroll down, select print only current page. So it's going to print only page 1, for example. Then you select print. Now the document is printing. This is the document we printed out from HP Smart app. So this is how to install HP Smart app on your laptop, then print out a document. Now I'm going to show you how to install this on your mobile device. Go to Play Store, select Play Store, then type HP app. On your mobile device, it's called HP app. It's called HP app. HP app. Select HP app, install it on your mobile phone. So on the laptop, it's called HP Smart, while on the mobile device, it's called HP app. So it's installing and downloading on the mobile device. Then open it up, select open. This is HP app. Select allow. Agree to terms and condition. Accept. Now I will ask you to sign in, but I'm going to continue as a guest. Then this is HP Smart app. This is the app here. If you want to add a printer, then you select add a device, select add a device, or go on top and select the plus on top, or select add a device. Then it will ask you set up a new printer or choose a printer. So select the second option. The printer we have here is already connected to the network. So we're going to select the second option. But if you are connecting the printer for the first time, then you select set up a new printer. So we're going to select printer already on the network. So select the second option. And HP LaserJet MFP M140W is found. Then you select add. So this printer now is added, showing us that the paper is out. So we run out of paper. So the paper is now loaded. This is how to add HP app on your mobile device. If you want to print document, then you tap on the screen. Once you tap on the screen, then you scroll down and look for where it's showing us print document. So you scroll down and select print document. Then it will take you for you to sign in to your account for you to print documents you have on your mobile device. So this is how to, or you create an account, sign in or create an account for you to be able to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. This is how to add HP app on your mobile phone. With this app, you can also print documents. You can also print photo. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed.